Hey, wait, I'm trying to do a favour. Please can do some sums, some maths.
Some sums?
Yeah. Oh,
I don't have a calculator.
oh, what are we going to do?
I guess I could estimate.
We could estimate. That's a good idea.
So, next chapter is rounding and estimation. Is
It
what
is.
it's all about.
So first, I think we should say what rounding is.
Okay. I'll give you some examples, Triv.
Alright, I'll work through them. You ready? Warm up.
168. 82. Round each of those somehow.
Okay. Well, I think I should round that one to 200.
200, is that your final answer?
Oh, I've had a friend.
I don't have any credit.
How do I? Alright, 200, then yes. And would that be 100, Wayne?
Is that your final answer?
I would ask the audience, but Marcus isn't good at this. Yes.
No!
Oh!
When it's in hundreds, if you round it, you'd round to the nearest hundred. So this one is correct. 168, the nearest hundred would be 200 if you're going to estimate. 82 is in the tens though, so the thing you would round there is to 80, because it's nearer to 80 than 90.
And if you had something like 7,
0.3,
you might round to 7.
And if it was just 7, you'd round to 10. And that's why rounding and estimation go together. You round up if you were to estimate something. Say if I give Triv the example, 104 times 72 equals... He could do 104 times 72, but that would be quite time consuming if you didn't have a calculator.
So then what you'd do is you'd round these numbers to something slightly easier, like 100 times 70. And then your estimate would be 7,000.
And that's why rounding and estimation go together. You round to make an estimate. This would be close to the answer 104 times 72.
It would.
You should probably be able to see 104 times 72 is actually going to be slightly more than this, but not by an awful lot.
Not very much at all.
And that's time saving if you have a calculator, and it comes up if you don't have a calculator, and it comes up on your course. So you need to know this.
It does. It's also quite useful just for questions in general. You can estimate what you think you should get, and then when you do it, you can check your answers by your estimate.
And that's always a good way to be in an exam.
It is.
I'll give a final example.
Alright, okay. I'll answer green this time.
6.7 times 32 equals. And I want an estimate of that, please.
Alright, so first thing, I'm going to round these. So that's is a unit to the nearest unit, so I'm going to put 7.
I agree so far.
This is a 10, so the nearest 10 would be 30. 30 times 7 is...
210.
Yeah. It's like 7 times 3 times 10.
And that's rounding an estimation.
Again, another short video, as there will be, but there's going to be lots of them. How many, Wayne?
104. I'll round that to 100.
Good plan. I think we should get on with that.
Yeah. It's a good job you asked me that favour, actually. It linked really nicely with this chapter.
Did well, yeah.